What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're installing OPNsense version 20 on Vmware Workstation Player 15. So let's get started. Let's open our favorite browser and we go to google.com. In google.com we type in OPNsense and we click the first result. We go to download section. On the download section, we have to select DVD from the type menu. We select a random mirror, usually it's the one closest to you, and we click download. Depending on your internet connection, it might take longer to download this file, but in this process, we have to wait. Enjoying the video so far? Knowledge is meant to be free. I never charge for my videos. I like my viewers and subscribers to get good high quality content the best I can put it together. In order to create awesome videos for you guys, I need your help. You can help the channel by supporting it by becoming a Patreon. With every grain of sand, we can top off the can. That way, we can purchase better filming and audio equipment. You can visit my Patreon page by clicking on the link in the description down below. After the file has finished downloading, now we have to decompress it. And we wait. Now we open Vmware Workstation Player and we create a new virtual machine. We select our ISO that we decompressed earlier. And we click next. We name our virtual machine. The name we want, in this case, is OPNsense Demo. We choose our file location, in this case, is an SSD drive. We name the folder the same as the virtual machine. In this case, I'm going to use 20 gigabytes of disk space. It's a lot, but at least it's enough to expand for this demo. We select our bridge network. We replicate the physical connection state. We choose our network cards. In this case, I'm going to use 2 processors and 2 gigs of RAM. And we'll click close. Finish. After we set up the virtual machine, this will start up using the ISO and prompt for live or installer mode. If we want to continue in live mode, we log in as root, and if we want to launch the installer, then we log in as installer. The default password is OPNsense. For our demo, we are going to launch the installer. So we're going to log in as installer and we type in the password that is OPNsense. Now the installer is initializing in the background. we'll click OK or Enter. Aseptic settings. Guided installation. Use all default disk. We leave it on GT UEFI and start setting up in the background. After the installation is done, we need to type in the root password, and we confirm the password and we press enter and we click reboot. After the virtual machine has loaded, we are going to log in as root, and we are going to set up our IP address, in this case so we can access it through my local network. Okay, so we're done with our network configuration, and the web user interface will restart. So we can now access this through our web browser. We are prompted for username and password. In our case, the username is root and the password we set during the installation process. After we have successfully logged in, we are prompted with a setup wizard, and we click next. In my case, we click next. We set up our time zone. In my case, it's America, Santo Domingo. It's a pretty long list, so it can take a while. Santo Domingo, and we click next. We leave all the settings as it is for this demo purpose, and we click next. We click next. Putting a new password if we like. If not, click next and reload. And we are done with the initial configuration for this demo. This is the front page. We can see all the status of what is going on our OPNsense box. So in future videos we will be looking this in detail, and also we are going to use more than one network card in order to simulate a small LAN network. If you have any suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment below. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, leave a comment below, and remember to ring that bell for future videos. Everything I use is in the description down below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.